Happy Tuesday. There just isn't much for me to make videos about. I'm thinking of different things I could talk about because it's just really cold outside. I know, probably not as cold as some people, but we're down in the 20s. I believe it was 28 just a few minutes ago when I looked at the temperature. It feels colder than that. As you will see in a moment, we have frost, frozen frost on all of our trees. And I noticed, and you'll see in one of the pictures, I need to get out and trim my rose bushes down. They still look pretty green, but they need to be trimmed down. So I mostly am going to talk about my things on the indoors. My little palette of red lettuce is coming up nicely. It's probably about maybe not quite a half an inch tall right now. And some basil that I planted in a red and white polka dotted container. And people have been talking about sunflowers as microgreens, and I had still a few sunflower seeds left from last year. So I put them in, and they seem to be coming up nicely. I know I have to watch them close so that I pick them at the right time, which is going to be soon. So I'll go ahead and show you the pictures. And this will be really short because I noticed that when I upload videos, even a video that's only like a couple of minutes long takes, it feels like hours, at least an hour to upload. Anything that's longer than that, if my video is 10 minutes, it's going to take at least a couple of hours, maybe more. My upload speed time is just incredibly slow. Anyway, I think I'll just show you the pictures. You'll have a little bit of music to listen to, and then the video will be over. So I'll say my happy gardening to you right now. So, happy gardening.